What's up, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching today. Now, I have a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. This is the non-hybrid version. And what I want to do is I want to show you how to reset the oil service. Now, let's see if I can find it. There it is. Service required. So 2,900 miles over, someone didn't reset it. So here, I'm going to show you today how to reset it. So you have your buttons here. Let me just show you. Go over to settings, and then you want to use this up and down button here. Boom, boom, boom. All the way down to convenience. And then you want to press down on the button like that. And then you want to just scroll down, hit again. And as you can see, you can enable it or disable it, and you can also change the interval, and you can reset it. So what we're going to do is we're going to click down, we're going to hit yes, we're going to hit down again on OK, and booyah, look at that. 7,500 miles is what they have it set at, or 365 days. I personally think that's too much. I would do 6,000 or 6 months, but that's just me. Alright guys, I hope this video was of help. I hope that it put some sort of value in your life. If it did, please leave a like, comment, let me know what you thought, and I hope y'all have a great freaking day. Have a good one. Peace.